JAE's DX07 series waterproof USB Type-C receptacles achieve IPX8 waterproofing using a unique design and insert molding process. This offers superior protection and reliability compared to connectors that use potting methods for waterproofing, as potting-based waterproofing can be compromised during reflow soldering. JAE's DX07 waterproof USB Type-C receptacles support USB 3.1 Gen 2 speeds and current up to 5 amps for compatibility with USB power delivery. The receptacles are available with short or long shells to suit application needs and are rated for 10,000 mating cycles. JAE's DX07 series also includes standard receptacles, plugs, and cable assemblies, all designed with the same excellent electrical and mechanical performance.